Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to control comments on Instagram. First you need to get up into a profile section on your account. Then you need to go to your three dots on your right upper side and select the first selection, which is settings. Right after that you need to go for privacy on the fourth selection, and then you can find out again on the fourth selection comments. And here guys, you're gonna be available to go for allow comments from, and you can get up and take it up, for example, just your followers, or you can getting up on everyone. This is your site into your related interests, and then you can go for block comment from. Also you can block comments from someone. Yeah, here you can type it from which person on what section on it, and then this could bring you to the control sections on your Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.